Judges temporarily suspend enforcement of law reducing Nashville Council. The process of downsizing the Nashville Council is currently on hold. A panel of 3 Tennessee judges on Monday issued an injunction temporarily halting the implementation of a new state law limiting city and metropolitan councils to 20 or fewer members. Metro Nashville sought injunctions as part of a lawsuit that questioned the law's constitutionality to prevent irreparable damage to local elections scheduled for August 3rd. The decision somewhat eases pressure on Metro Nashville, which the law has placed on a tight timetable for redistributing and drawing up new counties in line with Municipal Reduction Act. Nashville's 40-member council is only city or subway council in Tennessee with more than 20 members, meaning it's the only local government to be immediately affected by law. With the injunction in effect, Metro Nashville could continue with its August 3rd election with 40 council seats on the ballot. We are grateful that court has passed an injunction based on our unanimous decision that will likely succeed, said Metro Nashville Legal Director. That legislature single-handedly violated Constitution by changing rules in middle of an election. Wally Dietz in a statement. The new law gave Metro Nashville limited options: adopt a new cluster of 20 municipal districts or less by May 1st and elect for those district seats on August 3rd. Do not remove rezoning and council seats from August 3rd. Vote by May 1st, but instead extend the terms of current Metro Council by 1 year. An election will then be held in 2024 with new, coherent district maps, and these new councilors will serve 3-year terms. Elections will continue on a regular 4-year schedule, starting in 2027. Rezoning before August 3rd election would require more than 36 candidates, who have already campaigned for Nashville's 40 city council seats, to nominate a new district and complete the necessary paperwork by May 18th qualifying line. More you asked, we answered what we know about the downsizing of the Nashville Council. The injunction does not mean that case has been decided in Metro's favor. Case will continue and panel of 3 judges has not yet decided on merits of case. Metro's lawsuit is joined another lawsuit filed by 8 community leaders who allege that new law deprives Davidson County voters of their voting rights, depriving them of the right to elect their local legislature every 4 years, as stipulated in state's constitution. As losing party in injunction, state now has opportunity to appeal. According Dietz, due urgency of law's timeline, state is likely ask Tennessee Supreme Court here appeal directly, bypassing state appeals court. If High Court agrees to review case, it will listen to arguments and possibly decide on an expedited timeline whether injunction is valid. We are currently reviewing court's decision, said Elizabeth Lane, spokesperson for Attorney General Jonathan Skrmetti, whose office represents the state in case. The Tennessee Supreme Court has selected a judge or chancellor from each of the state's 3 major divisions to form judicatory panel that considers this case at the Davidson County Chancery Court. Chancellor Patricia Head Moskal is a Democrat serving Davidson County. Judge Mary L. Wagner, 30th District Judicial Court VII in 2018 and 2022. Chancellor Jerri S. Bryant, a Republican serving Bradley, McMinn, Monroe, and Polk counties. In the injunction, Wagner and Bryant said they thought Nashville would likely not be able to eventually lift the 20-member limit on subway council members. However, they noted that there is a compelling public interest in preserving the integrity of the Metro electoral process, which is already underway. Moskal argued that he had a valid constitutional argument that the city should not be subject to the 20-member border. The 3-judge panel will continue to hear the case going forward. Read the full decision below.